Cleaning fiber ends is an important part of the DB loss testing process. Some cellular providers, such as AT&T, even provide structured guidelines that must be followed when cleaning fibers. This video will show you how and when to use the various cleaning tools available from ODM to ensure reliable optical links. One-click cleaners are the quickest dry cleaning method for fiber ends. If you purchased an ODM TTK500 field test kit, you will find a one-click cleaner for LC fiber ends and bulkheads included. To clean a fiber end using the one-click cleaner, simply insert the fiber end into the adapter on the cleaner and push both ends together until you hear a click. To clean a fiber end in a bulkhead, you can take the cap off the one-click cleaner, insert it straight into the other end of the bulkhead, and press until you hear a click. Though the one-click cleaner is very effective, there are certain types of debris that require more than one click to clean, so it is recommended that technicians inspect fiber ends after cleaning once and clean one or two more times if necessary. The cleat-top cleaner is another viable dry cleaning method. To use the cleat-top, pull back on the lever on the side of the unit and wipe your fiber end on the exposed pad. If the one-click cleaners fail to provide a satisfactory cleaning, the SQR pad and fiber wash pen can be used. The SQR pads can be isolated by using the flap on the package. Once your pad is ready, you can press the fiber wash pen onto the top of it to soak a small coin-sized section with the cleaning solution. Then, simply rub the fiber end into the wet spot and drag straight down to the dry part of the pad. Each pad can be used 4 times, as shown by the arrows on the packaging. Debris from adhesives is more stubborn than other debris, so this wet-to-dry cleaning method is recommended for certain adhesive residue. Over 90% of all failures in fiber optic systems are caused by dirt or debris on fiber end faces. With the cleaning tools available from ODM, test technicians can greatly increase the reliability of optical links.
Find out more at Vicom's website.